Hello, good evening friends. Welcome to Nitya's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make paneer matar. It's very easy and simple dish. Come, let's do it. Paneer. Heat the pan. Add oil. 1 tablespoon of oil. Becomes hot. Add 10 pieces of cooked cashew nuts. Fry well. Don't add more cashews. 10 pieces is enough. Then add 2 large onions chopped. If you want more gravy, you can add 1 more onion. I am just adding 2 big onions. This is for 100 gram of paneer and 100 gram of peas. Matar is nothing but peas, green peas. Then add 3 tomatoes. Use Bangalore tomatoes because it has less sour taste. Ordinary tomato will be very sour. Use the ripe one. These are the 3 ingredients to make the gravy: cashews, onions and tomatoes. Cook this for 5 to 10 minutes till the onions and tomatoes become soft. Then cool it. Onions and tomatoes are very soft. It's been 5 to 10 minutes. Turn off the flame and cool this mixture completely. Then make a paste out of it. This time I have given all the ingredients in the description box. Just check if you want to see the amount of things I am using here. Cool this mixture. Melts. I am going to add the jeera. You can add kali jeera. It will be very tasty. I don't have that one, so I am adding normal jeera. Add the ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Mix well till the raw smell goes off. Add the spices: coriander powder 1 tablespoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon. Added the little water to that masala and cook this mixture for 2 minutes to take off the raw smell from the spices. Masala is ready. I am going to add the paste: onion, cashew nut and tomato paste. Add little water to scrape out the remaining things from the bowl. And cook this mixture for 5 to 10 minutes till the raw smell goes off from the tomato. If you want to add color, you can add little kesari color, red color. It's only for the appearance. Without color it will be nice only. No need to worry. Close the lid and cook this mixture for 5 to 10 minutes without opening the lid. Add salt according to this taste. Because the gravy thickens, because we have added the cashew paste, gravy thickens, so you can add little more water as well. I am adding salt to this mixture and close the lid. And close the lid and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, it got cooked. You can see the color of the tomato, that oil oozes out from the tomato, cooked well. Tomato has to be cooked nice and well because that raw taste will make you feel bad. So cook till the oil oozes out from the tomato. Then add the kasturi methi leaves, 1 teaspoon. This will give a nice buttery taste, and I love adding this to all the paneer dishes. It will be very tasty. Add the cooked paneer and peas. First we have to add the cooked peas. After 5 minutes you can add the paneer because as you know that paneer is very soft. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I am going to add the paneer, 100 grams of paneer and 100 grams of peas. I am using the homemade paneer. I showed the video how to make homemade paneer. It is very easy and it will be very tasty when compared to the shop one. Mix nicely and cook this for 2 minutes because paneer will easily absorb the gravy. Close the lid for 2 minutes. Then we are going to add the cream and done. Now turn off the flame and shift to the vessel. Restaurant style paneer matar is ready. If you want, you can add the little cream on the top while serving. It looks appetizing and it will be very tasty. Try it friends, it's very easy. Thank you.